In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a Zoom meeting. First, let's navigate to the Zoom website. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL app.zoom.us. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in. Look towards the top right-hand corner and you should see a button marked Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. For this demonstration, we're going to sign in using Google. When presented with the various sign-in options, click on Google. This will lead you to the Google login page where you can select the account you wish to use with Zoom. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, you might see your account listed here, so go ahead and click on it. If not, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once inside the Zoom interface, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find several options, one of which is Contacts. Clicking on Contacts will take you to a page where you can manage your existing contacts and add new ones. To add a new contact, locate the plus sign. Think of it as the universal icon for Add. This icon is typically found around the upper right portion of the contact page. Clicking on it will provide you with a drop-down menu where you should select Invite a Zoom contact. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to add. Ensure you have the correct email since this step is crucial for successfully inviting someone to your contact list. Type the email address carefully into the designated field, and once you've done that, look for the Invite button. Clicking Invite sends a contact request to the person whose email you just entered. What happens next is that person will receive an email notification letting them know you've invited them. Once they accept your invitation, they'll appear in your list of contacts. From then on, connecting with them in meetings is just a click away. Finally, as a quick tip, you might want to check with the person you've invited to make sure they received the invitation. It's a good practice to follow up, especially if you're working on a tight schedule and need to ensure they'll be available for upcoming meetings. And just like that, you've successfully added a contact on Zoom, making future meetings more efficient and organized. With these steps, inviting colleagues, friends, or family to join your Zoom meetings is straightforward and hassle-free. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial makes your Zoom experience more seamless. Happy Zooming!